Hello, Mr. Vinny here. Today I'm going to make a piano player Christmas ornament. First, I got my goggles, I'm going to turn the machine on, and here I go. It's cutting time. This is my scroll, so it makes a lot of noise. It took about 12 minutes to cut, so here it is real quick. Cutting perfect circles, isn't that easy? It's a fun little design. I have many more designs on Etsy. If you want to see some fun little cartoon character Christmas ornaments. Some move, they're called Danglers. What I do is I glue my design onto the wood that I've already painted, so it's a copy of a painting. High resolution, cut on wood, intricately cut on wood. And now, the tight little fingers to make it look like it's playing. Pinky, because that's class. And there it is. Next step is sanding it. The blade that I use really makes a nice edge to the back of the wood, so this doesn't take that long. As you can see. Now, tiny little screws. Here's a screw eye. This is going to go into the hands, so I use a little push pin to drill a hole, and we'll just twist this in. It's easier by hand. Tighten it. The next one is I'm just going to line this up for my exact spot so it hangs right. Now this is an open-ended screw, so that the other one can hang in there and we can have a dangling piece. Alright, that's a little tricky right in here, but I can get it. I'm just going to keep it loose and I'll tighten it with the hands. I'll just show you. I'll hook the hands on. And since it's already threaded, we'll just use the hands to twist it in. Alright, ta-da! Now that's the first trick. The next trick is to make sure that it hangs without touching any sides of the wood. So you want it to hang perfectly centered. So now you gotta just figure it out loosely with your fingers, use the push pin to drill a hole, and then again we'll just tighten up the screw. And now it's time for a Christmas hook! Yay! That goes in here. I like to curve it extra so it doesn't fall off, and tighten it right on the screw so it doesn't fall off the screw. Okay, now I'll sign it. Get well soon. No, I'm just going to sign my name and the year. So everybody who gets a Christmas ornament has my signature on it. Okay. And that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like hanging straight up and down. And everybody who gets an order gets nicely wrapped in tissue paper and in a bubble wrap envelope so it arrives in one piece. And you can check out our Kablooey Designs Etsy page for more Christmas ornaments. Thank you for watching.